Good evening, everybody. I wanted to show you a drink that came to mind called the Quarantine. The story about it is that my sister asked me to come up with a drink called the Quarantine, and this is what I came up with. It's 4 basic ingredients. It's 2 ounces of Disaronno, 2 ounces of Clementine vodka, 1 ounce or less, as you prefer, to tonic water, and an orange peel. The way you make it is it's poured over ice, so I'm going to put some ice in the glass. And so it's basically equal parts Disaronno and vodka. And then, neat little feature. Finish it with an orange peel. Give it a stir. And there you have the Quarantine. I hope you like it. Great drink for when you're under quarantine.